What's up? Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great start to your Sunday. We've obviously had a lot of macro factors that have been weighing on the price of Shiba Inu, the price of crypto. It's put us in this big place of uncertainty. But something great happened late yesterday. Okay, we finally saw one of these 20 pillars of macro factors go away. What I'm talking about is the debt ceiling. We have officially struck a deal when it comes to this. Now, Biden and McCarthy have reached a tentative deal on the debt ceiling, and it did, in fact, affect the price of crypto. Now, here's what to expect when it comes to this. Okay, they're actually going to increase the debt limit for 2 years. The non-defense spending would remain relatively flat in fiscal 2024 and increase by 1% in fiscal 2025. They're going to maintain full funding for Veterans Affairs. You guys can dive into this a little further if you want to, obviously, find out more information about what's going on here. But the market reacted very well to this news. We can see what BTC did. It just went on a run. Even the price of SHIB went on a nice run yesterday. Now, here's the thing to remember, though. This is not, again, the only macro factor that we have been and will continue to be dealing with over the next few weeks here. We have the jobs report that's coming up in just a few days. I believe that's happening either on the 2nd or the 3rd. We have the FOMC meeting and the CPI data report. All these things that still have influence over the market are going to impact how the price moves. Now, the great thing about Shiba Inu is that it is looking actually quite strong in these levels. It's trying to take stabs at 5 zeros, 9 0, and has a couple times over just the last 7 days. Now, with BTC strengthening and sitting above 27K, this gives SHIB some more opportunities. If we do get some of these reports back, right? The jobs report comes back good, CPI report comes back good, FOMC decides that they're not going to, or the Fed decides they're not going to raise interest rates again higher, we may see the market start to take off. We may see Shiba Inu take a stab at that 4010 level, which it previously had been a strong range of support. Now it's probably going to be a little bit of a resistance. But if you remember, every time we've gotten above this point, Shiba Inu gets wildly volatile. We can see massive spikes to the upside over a very short period of time. Now, this isn't financial advice or anything like that. I'm not telling you that this will happen by all means, right? There's still a lot of things that are affecting the market, but times are in fact looking good. Now, there is always the looming possibility of a recession. I got to play both sides of this here, and this isn't to spread FUD or anything like that. We just have to be open and transparent about what may be coming down the road. If things continue down the path that they've been going, it's likely that the U.S. economy is going to get stifled to the point where we may enter a recession. How severe? We obviously don't know. I think there's still a lot of capital floating around. I don't think that something like this would be as bad as '08. I don't think that this is like a major crash or anything like that. But there's always that possibility. Okay. I may seem non-committal to this, but we just don't know. We don't know what's all on the books. We don't know how many things are intertwined with each other. We don't know if there's any other, things going under in the banking industry. There's a lot of unknown at this time. But if we can continue to climb out, if we can continue to stack some wins together, right? If we get good reports, if the Fed decides to shift their stance a little bit, if all the stars start to align, we may continue to have this blistering 2023 that we've set up so far in crypto. And obviously the price of SHIB could very directly be affected by this. This is where Shiba Inu could start to really stack some price gains together, and it could end up even higher than it has been this year already. But that's what's going on. That's why crypto's pumping today. That's why Shiba Inu has seen a nice little surge of 2%. And hopefully that 2% can add an extra 0 to there. So appreciate you guys. Hopefully this is a great start to your Sunday so far. Make sure you show your love below if you guys haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you have a great day, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.